Good morning, students. Today is our module 9 of the same chapter, rational number. This is the lecture 9 of this chapter. Today we are going to cover these topics. We will continue exercise 1E. Then we will start our word problem, that is exercise 1G. Beta, we will do exercise 1F afterwards. And before starting our today's lecture, I want to answer few questions which are asked from the student. The first question was whether we have to do question number 6 of exercise 1E again. Yes, beta, you have to do it again. Sometimes I give repeated question for more practice because those questions are important. And second query was this, whether we have to do the exercise in the sequence given in the exercise or as per the sequence in which you are teaching. Yes, beta, you have to do as per the sequence in which I am teaching because I am taking your problems difficulty level wise. So, my sequence will not be same as per the book, but it is as per the difficulty level wise. So, you continue with the same sequence in which I am teaching you. Thank you. Let us start our today's work. Exercise 1E, question number 7. The statement is, by what number should negative 8 upon 39 to be multiplied? It is to be multiplied to obtain this. So beta, from this question we can judge this is our first number and it is to be multiplied. Let us say we will multiply it with x, and to obtain means this is the product. So we will form our equation accordingly. Let the required rational number is x, and the first number is given as negative 8 upon 39 and the product is 1 upon 26. Now according to the question, negative 8 upon 39 multiplied by the required number is equal to the product. Now x is equal to 1 upon 26 multiplied by 39 upon negative 8. This is by transposition. If we will move this on right hand side, the 39 will become numerator and the negative 8 will become denominator, like this. Now we will do the cancelling in this step and we will reach to this step. After that we get 3 upon negative 16 as the value of x. Now we will convert this into negative 3 upon 16 because we will not write a negative denominator. So we will have to multiply its numerator and denominator by negative 1 so that we can get negative 3 upon 16 as an answer. Now the next question. Next question is question number 9. Here the statement is, divide the sum of this and this. This is one number, this is the second number. We have to divide its sum by the product of this and this. This is the third rational number, this is the fourth rational number. We have to find out the product of this and sum of this. Whatever answer will come, we have to divide. So we will perform this question in 3 steps. First we will find out the sum, then we will find out the product, then we will do the division. Now let us start. Our step number first is sum of 13 upon 5 and negative 12 upon 7. This is the equation form. We will add this like in addition we have done, and we will reach to this step, and this is the answer of sum as 31 upon 35. We will give this as a first equation. Now we will do the second step. Second step is product of negative 31 upon 7 and 1 upon negative 2. Here is the equation form. We will do the multiplication of this. Here, because cancelling is not possible, we will multiply numerator by numerator like this and denominator by denominator like this. Then we will get negative 31 upon negative 14 as the answer of product of this. Now negative and negative will cancel. We will get 31 upon 14 as the answer of product. We will give this as equation a number as equation 2. Now in step 3, now we have to divide the sum which is obtained in step 1 by the product which is obtained in step 2. So we will divide first equation by the second equation. Here 31 upon 35 divided by 31 upon 14. This is the first equation, this is the second. This division sign will change into the multiplication like this, and we will copy down the first number as it is, and this sign is changed into multiplication. We will do the reciprocal of this and we will solve this these numbers as a multiplication. We will do the cancelling like 7 2s are 14 and 7 5s are 15 and 31 1s are and 31 1s are will be cancelled out. Then we will multiply the numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator, and we will get 2 by 5 as answer. So let us do the next question. Question number 10. Let us understand the statement. Divide the sum of 65 upon 12 and 8 upon 3 by their difference. So in this question, first we have to find out the sum of these two numbers only. Then we will find out the difference of these two numbers only. Whatever answer will come, we will divide the sum by difference. So again we will perform this question in 3 steps. Now let us start. This is the step number 1 in which we will find out the sum of these two numbers. Here is the equation form. So LCM of 12 and 3 is 12. So 12 multiplied by 1. So we will multiply its numerator by 1. And 3 is multiplied by 4. So we will multiply its numerator by 4. After solving this, we will get this step. And this is the answer of sum. And we will give this sum as one number. Now let us do the step 2. In this we will find out the difference of the same numbers. So here is the equation form. Again the LCM is 12 and we will solve its numerator like this, and we will reach to this step, and this is the answer of difference. So we will give this as a second number of equation. Now our third step, we have to divide which is obtained in step 1. We have to divide the sum which is obtained in step 1 by the difference which is obtained in step 2. So we will divide equation 1 by equation 2 as this. Now 97 by 12 divided by 33 by 12. So we will copy down the first number as it is. This division sign is changed into multiplication, and we will do the reciprocal of this, and we will solve this as a simple multiplication, and we will get 97 by 33 as answer. These two questions which I have done right now, both are very important questions. Now let us start our second question. In this, we have to verify the given statement and tell whether it is true or false. So like first part, this is the statement in which on left hand side one number is divided by the second number, and on right hand side this is the left hand side and this is the right hand side. We have to see whether they are equal or not. So we will solve left hand side and right hand side separately, and we'll see whether left hand side is equal to right hand side or not. This is if it is equal, then we will write true. If it is not equal, then we will write false. Let us start. This is the left hand side. This is the right hand side. On left hand side, 13 by 5 divided by 26 by 10. We will do the division of these two numbers. The first number is copied down as it is. Then this multiplication sign is converted into, this division sign is converted into multiplication, and we will do the reciprocal of the second number like this, and then we will do the cancelling, and we will get 1 as the answer of left hand side. Now let us do the right hand side. Here we will copy down the first number as it is. This division sign is converted into multiplication, and here we will do the reciprocal. Now we will do the cancelling like this, and we will get 1 as a answer. Here left hand side is equal to right hand side, so this statement is true. Now let us do the second part of the same question. Here also on left hand side and right hand side, this is the left hand side and this is the right hand side, a division of two numbers is given. So we will see whether they are equal or not. This equality we have to check. So we will solve left hand side and right hand side separately. So let us start with the left hand side. Here -9 is divided by 3 by 4. Now we will copy down the -9 as it is. This division sign is converted into multiplication, and here we will do the reciprocal, because in -9 there is no denominator, so we will write here 1, and we will do the cancelling, like 3 1s are 3 and 3 3s are 9, and we will put a negative sign here because 9 is having a negative sign. So on left hand side we will get -12 as the answer. Now let us see what happens on the right hand side. This is the right hand side. Here 3 by 4 divided by -9. So we will copy down the 3 by 4 as it is. The division sign is changed into multiplication, and we will do the reciprocal of this. Then we will do the cancelling in this step, and we will get 1 upon -12 as the answer. So here left hand side is not equal to right hand side. Here we can write is as -1 upon 12 also. Here left hand side is not equal to right hand side, so it is a false statement. Now let us start the next question. Here question number 3. Here again verify whether the given statement is true or false. Again on left hand side and right hand side some questions are given. We have to check whether they are equal or not. So let us start with the question. Here first parts, on left hand side this statement is given, and on right hand side this statement is given. So we will solve both left hand side and right hand side separately. So on left hand side 5 by 9 divided by 1 by 3, it is in the bracket. Whatever sum will come will be divided by 5 by 2. So let us solve the bracket first. Here is the division. So 5 by 9 is copied as it is. This is changed into multiplication. Then we will do the reciprocal. We will solve this bracket. The answer will come out to be 5 by 3. Then it is divided by 5 by 2. Now we will solve this as a division question. 5 by 3 as it is. This division sign is changed into multiplication, and here we will do the reciprocal. Then we will solve this as a multiplication. We will get answer 2 by 3 of the left hand side. Now let us solve the right hand side. See, on right hand side 5 by 9 divided by, in bracket, 1 by 3 divided by 5 by 2 is given. So first of all we will solve this bracket. So when we will solve this bracket, 1 by 3 as it is, this division sign is changed to multiplication. Then here is the reciprocal. So these two numbers come into the bracket. Here we will do the multiplication. After multiplying it, we will get 2 upon 15. Here 5 by 9 divided by 2 by 15. Now again we will do the division of this step. 5 by 9 as it is, division sign is changed into multiplication. Here we will do the reciprocal, and after that we will do the cancelling. After doing the cancelling, we will get 25 by 6 as the answer of right hand side. So here also left hand side is not equal to left hand side is not equal to right hand side, so statement is false. So in this way we can do the verification questions. Now let us start the word problems. Word problems are given in exercise 1G. So this is the question number 1 of exercise 1G. Here we have to read the question carefully and understand the meaning of the question first. Then we will form the equation and solve the equation. Now I am reading out the question. The question is, from a rope of 11 meter long, means a length of the rope is given 11 meter. Two pieces of length 2 3 by 5 meter and 3 3 by 10 meter are cut off. Suppose this is the total rope. From this rope, two pieces are cut from the rope, and we have to find out what is the length of the remaining rope. This is the remaining rope. We have to find out the length of this rope. So from this we can judge if we will add these two numbers, means the length which is to be cut off, and whatever answer will come, if we will subtract that answer from the 11 meter, that is the total rope length, then we can get the answer of the remaining rope. So after understanding the question, we can start our question like this. Here total length of the rope is given 11 meter and length of the first piece to be cut is 2 3 by 5. Here this is given in the mixed fraction, so we will convert this into a improper fraction. How? 2 3 by 5. We will multiply 2 into 5, then we will do addition of 3. This is the numerator, and because 5 is the denominator, we will write 5 as a denominator. So we will reach to this step. This you have learned in earlier classes. Now the length of the second piece is to be cut is 3 3 by 10. This is also in mixed fraction. We will convert this into a improper fraction. Now we will see what we have to do in the question. Now to find out the length of the remaining rope, we will subtract the sum of the length of the cut pieces which is to be cut from the total length of the rope. Now put this equation, we will put the numbers in this equation. Here length of the remaining rope, the total length is 11 meter and the first piece length is 13 by 5 and the second piece length is 33 by 10. Now we will add these two first in the bracket like this, addition, and then we will subtract it from the 11. Now after solving this, we will get this 59 upon 10 as the total sum of the cut pieces. Now this is to be subtracted from the 11. Here 11 minus 59 upon 10, because there is no denominator in 11, so we will write here 1, and the LCM of 1 and 10 is 10, and 11 is multiplied by 10, 1 is multiplied by 10, so its numerator is also multiplied by 10. Here 10 is multiplied by 1 to get 10, so we will multiply its numerator by 1 like this. Then we will solve this step and we will reach to this step. After subtracting the numerator, we will get 51 upon 10 as the length of the remaining part. Now we will convert this into a mixed fraction because it is an improper fraction, and we will write our answer as length of the remaining rope is 5 1 upon 10. how to convert a mixed fraction into a how to convert an improper fraction into a mixed fraction. See, this also you have learned in the earlier classes. I am explaining it again. We will divide 10 by 5. We will divide 51 by 10. So 10 5s are 50. Here we will get the answer as remainder as 1. So we will write it as 5 1 upon 10. This is the way of converting a improper fraction to mixed fraction. So this is our answer. Now let us do the question number 4. 2 and 3 question I will give you in the homework. Question number 4. Let us read the question. On one day, a rickshaw puller earned rupees 160. एक दिन रिक्शा खींचने वाले ने 160 रुपीज़ अर्न किए. एंड आउट ऑफ हिज अर्निंग, उसने अपनी अर्निंग से ही स्पेंड रुपीज़ 26/3/4 ऑन टी एंड स्नैक्स. टी एंड स्नैक्स के लिए उसने इतने रुपीज़ स्पेंड कर दिए. एंड रुपीज़ 51/2 ऑन फूड, इतने रुपीज़ उसने फूड पे स्पेंड किए. एंड रुपीज़ 1612/5 ऑन रिपेयर ऑफ रिक्शा. एंड फॉर रिपेयरिंग ही हैज स्पेंड this much money. Now we have to find how much did he save that day. Saving is always earning minus expenditure is your saving. So let us start the question with this understanding. Here total earning of the rickshaw puller is 160 rupees. And money spent on tea and snacks is rupees 26/3/5. This we will convert. This is a mixed fraction. We will convert this into a improper fraction. And he has spent the money on food rupees 51/2. Again we will convert this into a improper fraction. And money spent on repairs is this much. This is also a mixed fraction. We will convert this into a improper fraction. Now our equation will become the money saved, as I've told you, the earning minus expenditure. So total earning minus the total money spent on tea, food and repairs. So first we will find out the total money spent and we will subtract it from the earning. So according to the question, this equation is formed. Here money saved is total money earned, that is 160, minus money spent on tea and snacks plus money spent on food plus money spent on repairs. We will add the money which are spent. This is the money spent. So we will solve this bracket first, like we have done here. For adding these three numbers, the LCM of 5, 2 and 5 is 10. Here 5 is multiplied by 2, so we will multiply its numerator by 2. Here 2 is multiplied by 5, so 5 to get 10. So we will multiply its numerator by 5, and 5 is multiplied by 2, so we will to get the 10, and we will multiply its numerator by 2, and we will solve this step, and we will reach to this step. Now again we will solve its numerator and we will get this as a step. Now 160 rupees minus rupees 935 upon 10. Again we will solve this in the same manner. Here there is no denominator, the denominator is 1, and the LCM of 1 and 10 is 10 only. So we'll see 1 is multiplied by which number. It is to be multiplied by 10 to get 10. So we will multiply its numerator by 10. Here the 10 is multiplied by which number? It is to get 10. It is to be multiplied by 1. So its numerator is multiplied by 1. After solving this, we will get 665 upon 10 as the answer. Now this is a improper fraction. So in rough, we will convert this improper fraction into a mixed fraction. 665 divided by 10. 10 6 is 60. Here we will do subtraction. Then we will copy down this, a simple division. Then again the 10 is multiplied by 6 to get 60. Here 5 is the remainder. So we will write this 66 and 5 is the remainder upon 10. Here 5 and 10 again we can cancel out. 5 ones are 5 and 2. So we will get 66 1 by 2 as a mixed fraction. So this is our answer. This is rupees 66 and a half. So this is the money saved. Now let us do the question number 5. Here we have to find the cost of 3 2 by 5 meter of cloth at rupees 66 3 by 4 per meter. Means per meter cost of the cloth is this much, 63 3 by 4, and we have to find out the cost of 3 2 by 4 meter. So after understanding the question, let us start it. The cost of 1 meter cloth. This is the cost of 1 meter cloth, 63 3 by 4. We will convert this into improper fraction, and for finding out the cost of 3 2 by 5 meter cloth, we will have to multiply the cost per meter into the length. So this is also a mixed fraction, so we will convert this into an improper fraction. This is the equation form. Now we will solve this. After multiplying it, we will reach to this step. The numerator is multiplied by numerator, we will get this step. And this is again an improper fraction. So in rough, we will convert this into a mixed fraction. Here we have done the calculation and we will get 216 and remainder is 15 upon 22. See here, 20. Here the cancelling is possible. So 5 3s are 15 and 5 4s are 20. So we will get 216 3 by 4 as an answer. So this is the cost of 3 2 by 4 meter cloth. It's rupees 216 3 by 4. Now let us do the next question. It's question number 6. It says that a car is moving with the average speed. This is the average speed is given. And how much distance will it cover? We have to find out the distance in 6 1 by 4 hours. Total hours are given. Beta, we know the average speed formula. Average speed formula is average speed is equal to total distance covered upon total time taken. So with this understanding, we will start our question. Here average speed of car is given 62 by 5 km per hour. We will convert this into a improper fraction, and total distance covered we have to find out, and total time taken is given 6 1 by 4 hour. This also we will convert into a improper fraction because this is in the mixed fraction. So we have this formula. Just now I explained you, average speed is equal to total distance covered upon total time taken. This is the formula for this. We will use this formula to solve the question. Here total distance covered. So after from this formula we can get total distance covered is equal to average speed multiplied by total time taken. Here total distance covered, the formula of total distance covered comes out to be average speed multiplied by total time taken. Here is the average speed and here is the total time taken. It is in kilometer per hour, it is in hour. We will cancel r by r and we will multiply these two numbers like this, and the answer will come out to be in kilometer. Here we will solve these two steps by cancelling, and after cancelling we will reach to this step and we will multiply its numerator and denominator and we will reach to this step as a 755 by 2 kilometer. Again it is in the improper fraction, so we will convert this into a mixed fraction like this division method, and we will get 377 1 by 2 kilometer as an answer. So the total distance covered is 377 1 by 2 kilometer. Now the next question is question number 7. Here we have to find the area of a rectangular park whose length and breadth are given. This is the length, this much meter long and this much meter broad, means this is the length and this is the breadth. So we have to find out the area. Beta, we know the formula of area of rectangle as length into breadth, and that formula we will use in this question. So let us start. The length of the rectangular park is given 36 3 by 5 meter. We will convert this into a improper fraction. Now the breadth of the rectangular park is this much. We will convert this into an improper fraction and we have to find out the area, and area is length into breadth. So we will multiply length into breadth like this. 183 by 5 meter multiplied by 50 by 3 meter. So meter multiplied by meter will become meter square, and we will solve the numbers like this. First we will do the cancelling if the cancelling is possible, and after that we will multiply its numerator and denominator like in this step we have done, and we will get the answer as 610 meter square. This is the answer of area of the rectangle. Now in this way we have solved some of the word problems. For solving the word problem, we have to understand the meaning of the statement which is given in the question. Then we will have to do the addition, subtraction, multiplication or division, whatever is the required in the question. So now it's time for homework. Now for today's, first you have to note down the classwork note which I have explained just now in your copies or loose sheets, whatever you are having. Then you have to do the following questions as your homework. And beta, please don't forget to write down your date on your work. Please maintain your records date wise. Now for exercise 1E, we have to do question number 2 third and fourth part, and question number 3 second and third part. In scan copy of exercise 1E along with the answers already given to you. Now second homework is exercise 1G, question number 2 3 8 9 10 questions. Hints are given below. I have given you the hints below. See the hints. Now from our exercise 1H, this is basically MCQs. You have to try and solve question number 1 to 10. Try it, just try it to solve it in the same copy, and answer will be discussed later. I will discuss you the answers later on. Just you have to try this. So, and for this the following note you have to read. Scanned copy of exercise 1E already provided to you with the notes dated 29th April, and hints of the question for exercise 1G. I have given you question number 2, 3, 8, 9, 10. I have given you the hints here. So using these hints, you will solve your questions. And a scanned copy of exercise 1G and 1H along with the answers is attached here. See, this is exercise 1G. This is the whole exercise 1G. There are 20 questions in 1G, then 1H, and these are the answers of exercise 1G and 1H. So beta, you have to do and do your homework as well as your classwork along with the few MCQs question. These questions you have to try to solve this. I will discuss this later on. Better today homework is little bit more, so better don't worry. Go as per your speed and solve the same. Thank you.